PC Renovation Part 1 coming up.
Guys, it is Sam Typical here where we do a lot of fun videos. Now, you might know that computer build I did a couple months ago. Basically, it's not that good, but so as you can see, I have a laptop set up currently. But today it changes. My first upgrade is a monitor. It is from ViewSonic, I think. So yeah, it is an Amazon box. But you know, Amazon ships with Amazon boxes with the actual box inside. So I have box cutter right here. So now we're gonna open it. I'm gonna blur out the codes, of course, for privacy reasons. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. Okay, it looks to be opened. It's focused. So now just open it up, and here's the monitor right here. So let me turn this around. This is the wrong way, obviously. Come on. This is a ViewSonic 27-inch HD LED monitor. It is 27 inch. I know. This isn't probably the best monitor out there, but I mean, I'm on a budget. But in the future, I'm eventually gonna get a 4K monitor. So here's the box right now. Basically, I'm gonna turn off the camera so I can lift this. Guys, here it is, the ViewSonic FA2759 monitor. This is a 27-inch budget monitor from ViewSonic. Now there was tape on the top, which I had to take out, but I took it out. I think there is specs on the back, and no, there's apparently. Oh, there's specs right here. Hold on. So it says here. I have to get the flashlight. Hold on. There we go. You can barely see it. Video cable, power cable, audio cable. So I'm guessing it does come with like you know, audio pass through. Opened it, and it looks like you get low quality foam, not the best quality foam, and you get, looks like the quick start manuals. Just tells you about the warning and stuff. And down here, you get, this is your, looks like your HDMI cable. And that's pretty much it. Well, actually no. This is your power cable. That's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna unload this monitor, but I'm gonna not record it because I don't want to break it, obviously. So I'm gonna put it down. Okay, I have it laid down. So now I'm gonna take some tinglers. Very slowly. Monitor, you have your stand, which the stand is, the stand is right here, I believe. Yep, the stand is right here. This is the stand, and looks like there is some screws, or guessing all you do is just put this like that. That's basically probably how it works. This little thing goes like that. So here's your base amount, which is 100 by 100, I think. And here we have your I/O. We have HDMI, VGA, headphone microphone jack, and I think there are built-in speakers. No, there isn't. Here are the buttons right here. The buttons are, yeah, that's a good quality button. So here you have canceling lock if you want to be secure. And your screen is a IPS panel, I believe. It's an IPS panel. And yeah, so you basically get coded buttons to tell what to press. And I'm guessing this is your sensor right here. There's some tape. Enjoy that peel, guys. I peeled it, so just enjoy the peel, what's left of it. There we go, satisfying. So the screen is pretty clean. Nothing is bad right now. Is there another? Nope, that's not it. Okay, so let me get the bass on right now, and I'll be back. The phone, guys. Wait, there's some more ASMR people. Nice. Look at this. Ooh, I can see myself. I can see myself. So, I'm guessing you're gonna slide this in here. This is a hole, because that's like the obvious idea. And you have to, oh, that's like a thumb screw. I guess you like turn that until it gets tight enough. So yeah. I'm doing it right now. Oh, hey guys, so I did it. I just had to align it. Now it does take a couple minutes to get it aligned, but I got it aligned. And then you just turn the wheel until it stops. But I got a screwdriver and tightened it some more because it was wobbling. So I just put a screwdriver to it and turned it to a limit without stripping it. So now it's sturdy as a rock. So now it's time for no, actually it's not. So right now I'm just gonna, you know, get rid of this monitor over here and put this new one in. Okay, so basically I cleared the desk, but I now clearly have a World War III on my desk right now. So I had to fix this. I'm actually gonna unplug all these cables so I don't get interference when I plug the monitor in. So here we go. For some ASMR for the monitor. So I grab this. You ready, guys? You ready? I don't want to fail this. Oh. Nope. Nope. It's not broken yet. In the world? That was a fail. -1 point. That was a fail. That was 100% a fail, guys. I obviously messed it up. So I'm sorry, I guys messed it up. When you have it off, you go in the I/O, obviously, and you find the power cord. And on this device, it is over here. Now, this is a 3-prong, 3-pin one, so you don't plug this one in. This is for your power cord. You plug into the wall. This side right here is the one you plug into here. Now, this cord is the same for like computer power supplies and like power supplies in general. So, to get that done, oops. So once you get that done, you unwind it, you plug it in on the right. Got it right on here right now, and so as you can see, it actually does swivel up and down. As you can see, just swivel a little bit and down. So it does swivel up a bit and left and right. So yeah, I'm gonna continue setting this up. So right now I'm just going to reroute the cables. But don't worry, guys. It will be a cable mess down here for quite a while until, I don't know, Friday, until I can actually fix the cables up neatly and stuff. So right back. So there you have it, guys. So again, the cable management is not good, but I do have a cable raceway coming and some reusable zip ties. So I'll probably fix the cable management later. But I got the monitor and webcam and stuff plugged in and everything set up neatly. We'll put the cables on there, but that's another story. So so now I'm gonna plug this in. HDMI port right here. Guys, moment of truth. Here I go. So I'm gonna find the power button. Power button is, it tells me right there. So hit it right there. Blue button's on. There we have it. It's on. Now I'm gonna turn on this monitor. Oops, I push this over here because it's not gonna open the laptop. There we have it, guys. So we have some menus, and you have to use the arrows down here, the buttons. So you get your contrast brightness options. You can change your input, your audio, adjusting your color information, manual image, and setup menu, and energy star. So yeah, that is pretty much the menu, guys. See you later, guys. Peace.